Hello guys. The first question of Python is write a program to display a person name, age and address in three different lines. Name equal to Louis, age equal to 40, address is 32 Avenue Street. When I print name, age, address, when I run code, I got this Louis 40 32 Avenue Street. So I will go to PyCharm and then I will type here name equal to Louis, age equal to 40, address equal to 32 Street. When I type here print name of, print age, print address, when I run code, I got this Louis, name is Louis, age is 40, address is 32 Avenue Street. The next question is write a program to swap two variables x equal to 10, y equal to 20, x comma y equal to y comma x. Because we want to swap two variables. Here we have two variables x and y, and print value of x is and print value of y is. So when I run code here, I got these values. Value of x is 20, value of y is 10. Before we have value x equal to 10, after swapping I got 20, and before I have value y equal to 20, after swapping 10. So here I type here x equal to 10, y equal to 20, and x comma y equal to y comma x. Print value of x is, here I have to type inside quotation marks, double quotation mark, value of x is comma x, and then print of inside double quotation mark, value of y is y. When I run code, I got these answers. Value of x is 20, value of y is 10, because before I have x equal to 10, after swapping I got 20. Before I have y equal to 20, after swapping 10.